Welcome to Caramel Popcorn.
My first reboot video, kind of exciting, much better than the original, I think. So let's start with the popcorn. 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and just a few kernels. The point here, we're gonna let the kernels heat up with the oil. And once they start to pop, we know the oil's hot enough, we'll dump everything else in. You will definitely need a lid, otherwise popcorn is going to go everywhere. About 10 minutes or so, we're gonna see some popping. And now begins the workout portion of the popcorn. I essentially turn the heat off and shake this until it's done, and it will take about 10-15 minutes for the whole process. Really important when we're done, take it immediately off the heat and dump it into a bowl. Make sure to get rid of those unpopped kernels because when they get caramel baked in, they're going to be hard as a rock and you're not even going to be able to see them. They will break your teeth for sure. Moving on to our caramel. I love this because it's so easy. You throw all the stuff in the pot, you heat it up, boil for 4 minutes, and that's it. There's no temperature checks, no stages of hard candy we got to deal with. Super easy. So medium heat, just go ahead and boil for 4 minutes, turn it off. Super simple. Before we combine our caramel and popcorn, we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon approximately of vanilla extract. Get that nicely stirred in, and we're going to put everything into the popcorn. I'm gonna do this quickly because it's super hot and we need to move quick. So you see I have a rubber spatula. I'm stirring the popcorn around, trying to be careful to not smash it. You could also do this part with some spray oil on your hands, but as a note, the popcorn is multiple hundreds of degrees, so it will be pretty hot and probably burn you a decent amount. I like this method, it works well. The whole point is to get the popcorn as separated into individual kernels as possible. We're gonna bake this for a total of 45 minutes in a 250-degree oven, but we're gonna take out every 15 minutes and separate the kernels as much as we can. As we go through the process, you'll see not much is gonna look like it's happening, but the end product, when you hear that crisp and that crunch, oh man, so worth it. So what I'll do, I'll take one tray out of the oven at a time, simply because it takes a couple minutes to do all the separating and I don't want anything to sit out too long. Still using a spatula here, but you'll see after 45 minutes, when technically we're done, I switch to my hands and just listen.
That's hot.
Super hot, move very quick. I would call these very minor burns. So we're about to wrap up the video. Just want to say thank you all for watching, hanging out. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, see you in the comments, and we'll see you at the next one.
So good.